Hi, now in this video, we are going to see the workflow of the Go4 Handyman application. In our Go4 Handyman script, we have two applications, the user application and the provider application. First, let's see the registration flow of the user application. Kindly select the country code and then now enter the mobile number. After entering the mobile number in the next page, kindly enter the first name, last name, email address, and password. Now you have to agree on the terms and conditions and then click the register button. Now you have successfully registered as a user in the Go4 Handyman application. Next, let's see the workflow of the provider registration. Kindly select the country code and then enter the mobile number. After entering the mobile number in the next page, kindly enter the first name, last name, email address, password, and then the city name. Now you have to agree the terms and condition and click the register button. Now you have successfully registered as a provider in the Go4 Handyman application. Now let's explore the features available in the user application. The My Profile option is used to edit or update the details of the user. Next is payment method. The payment method option is used to select the default payment method the user wants to use. We have cash, online payment and wallet option. Now let us see how to load the balance in the wallet. Click the wallet option. Add amount and enter the amount you want to add the wallet. You can either use PayPal or card method to make the payment. Now we have selected PayPal and the payment processing is going on. Once the payment is successful, the amount will be added to the wallet. Now the amount is added to the wallet. The setting option is used to select the default currency and default language the user wants to use. Now we are selecting the default currency. Now we are selecting the default language. We have selected the Arabic language. The application has changed to the Arabic language.
The referral option is used to invite your friends to use this application. By referring your friends, you will be earning up to 10 USD for every friend who books jobs in this application.
The manual booking option is used to book the service by making the call. clicking on the call option, the phone number will be displayed to your default phone.
The emergency contact option is used to add your friends or dear ones to the list of contacting them in case of any emergency. You can add the contact number by selecting the contact from your phone contact list.
The Your Booking option is used to check on the list of services that the user have booked. The user can check the completed service with detailed information and also can check on the upcoming services with the detailed information. Now let's see the options available in the provider application. The Manage Document option is used to upload or update the documents that has been asked by the admin. The documents can be uploaded by uploading the image from the gallery or taking the photo of the document. Have to enter the expiry date if needed.
The Set Availability option is used to set the time slot for the provider is available to work for the jobs. You can set the time slot for each day.
Set Services option is used to select the services the provider is wished to work on. Also, the provider can select the service types he is available to work. Once all these data are updated, the provider is ready to go online. Now the provider is updating the work location in the application. Also, the provider has to set the kilometer radius from which he is willing to work. Your job option is to check on the completed and scheduled jobs assigned to the provider. Clicking on a particular job, the provider can view the detailed information about that job. The earning option is used to check the earnings the provider has earned so far. The provider can also check the earnings on weekly basis. The Manage Gallery option is used to upload the before-after image of the service the provider has worked on.
The rating option is used to check the ratings that the provider has received from the users for his performed jobs. The Manage Payout option is used to enter the details of your preferred payout method. We have PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer as the options for the payout method.
The setting option is used to select the preferred currency and language. Now let's see the workflow of booking a service. As a user, you have to select the service category you want. After selecting the service category, you have to select the sub-service category. Software installation has been added. Now you can find the service provider available nearby. Clicking on the service provider details, you can find the service types, gallery and reviews. Now you have to click the service type you want. Once upon clicking the service type you want, you can find the pricing details for that service type. You have to select one service type. After selecting the one service type, you can find the option to select the payment method. Now cash option is selected. You have to select the booking location also. After selecting the booking location, you can book the service. Once upon booking the service, the request will be sent to the provider. Now the provider is receiving the request. The provider can view the job request and then accept the job request. Now the job request has been accepted by the provider. The provider can find the user's location over the map. In this page, you can find many options available for the provider. The options available are call, message, job progress, navigate, requested service, cancel job. Clicking on the call option, the provider can call the user. Clicking on the message option, the provider can message the user. Clicking on the navigate option, the provider can see two maps, whether Google Map or Waze Map. The provider can select among these two maps. Requested service option is used to view the job request requested by the user. Cancel job. If the provider wishes to cancel the job, using this option, the provider can cancel the job. Now the provider has slide that he has arrived to the user's location. Now the user will receive the notification that the service provider has arrived. Once the job is started, the provider can slide that the job has begun. The same notification will be sent to the user. The provider will be performing his service. Once the provider has completed the service, the provider will slide end job. On sliding the end job option, the provider will receive an option to apply extra charges. If the provider wishes to apply extra charges, the provider can apply the charges. Now the payment page will be displayed for both user and the provider. Once the provider has received the cash from the user, the provider will select the cash collected option. On confirming the user has made the payment, the user and the provider will receive the rating page. Using this option, the provider can give the rating on the user, and the user can give the rating on the provider. Now let's see the pay to admin option. This option is used to pay the admin for the cash paid services. Now the provider has to click the pay to admin option and enter the amount he wishes to pay the admin. On clicking the entering the amount, the provider will receive the payment page. On the payment page, you will be having two options, PayPal and card method. Now we have selected the PayPal method and the payment is processing. Once the payment has been made, the amount will be transferred to the admin's account. Thanks for watching the video.